Can it really get much worse for what we're seeing here in the market? I mean, personally, I don't know. I don't think so. I think it was a well-needed washout, a well-needed wake-up that nothing goes up forever. But yeah, overall, with what happened with the Trump news and everything, pretty crazy times. Looking at the BLX chart is a very quick affirmation that we're still very much in a bull market. There's nothing to worry about here, folks. So step away from your screens for a week or so, and I'm pretty sure these prices will be back up in an area that you are much happier with. So very, very big shakeout, volatility, Black Swan event happened. Today we're talking about the Trump meme coin. Of course, Donald Trump has his own official meme coin. I want to talk about it as we dropped below $20 here. We actually went back to my point of entry down here, which was around sort of $17. So that was crazy to see as well. Basically break even on half my position, which is kind of crappy, but oh well, it is what it is. We can't get it right every single time. Now, if you're new here, please do subscribe. Let's try let the algorithm know that we're here making this content for you guys out there in the market. Share with your friends, like the video, and yeah, Bitcoin back to 99.1k. So I think we will end up going back for $100,000 today at some point. I don't think it's a terrible thing to see. Over $2 billion worth of liquidations happened in the last day, which is just insane. It was actually record highs seeing this much liquidation, but we are seeing that little, the green print on the screen again. And I think overall, just looking at the monthly returns here for Bitcoin, February -4%. So there's nothing really to be scared about right now. It's actually not that bad. It's not that deep, guys. The volatility is what kind of brainwashes people to become very scared, and the news and the media and the FUD all happens at once, and boom, you just get this massive snowball effect of negativity and paper hand freaking, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. So just be strong, chill out, don't look at your screens all the time, don't panic, don't get emotional, just rely on the fundamentals of blockchain and let that be enough. So let's look at it. A Trump sitting at $19.12, $3.82 billion market cap. On the week down 30%, on the day down 11.4%. Now there's nothing bullish about this, except that on the month, of course, the average chart value is still very, very high. But overall, it's not looking incredible. Not much is happening. It kind of just feels like it's been left on the sidelines. We lost a critical support of $25.6. We've not recovered this $25 region yet. And that's a big area that we do want to get back to. We need to see some sort of bullish reversal here. We need to see that bounce, breaking back to $22, breaking back to $25. We're not getting this reversal that we're hoping for in the market right now. It's just still very stale. There's no real kind of sense of direction to where Trump coin is going, and with what's going on, it just feels a little bit bearish and a little bit kind of just not right. So yeah, they're still pushing on the Twitter, which is a good thing, but they're not doing that much. There's not many major partnerships, major exchanges, because it's pretty much listed everywhere already. Just a few little things, really. I think we could see more happen for this, but I think right now all the tricks are remaining up the sleeves. They want people to get bored. They want people to sort of sell in a loss and stuff. I will not sell my Trump coin until it gets to way over $100, and I think we will eventually see a reversal for the Trump coin, and it could hopefully get above there. So yeah, we lost the $22 support. Not amazing to see. Need to see some sort of recovery from this particular level here, and we do not want to see this coin go down any lower than it is already, because once it starts going down below 90% from the top, that's where it kind of enters like alleged crap coin territory, right? Right now it's down 74%, which is fine. If it goes down below 80%, I'm not going to feel as good about that. If it goes down below 90%, then, this is looking like just your everyday crappy meme coin. So hopefully we're not going to see that with this at all here, guys. Also, if you're buying cryptos, be sure to check out CaseX, the lowest fees in the market. This will help you save thousands of dollars over time, guys. I'm not even joking. Traders in my group are using CaseX and they're absolutely loving it. Not everyone is using CaseX, but a good bunch of the people are using it, and they're saving so much money. Every time they click that mouse, they're saving money because the fees are 0%. Now, what else is great about it? KYC free, globally accessible. Wherever you are in this planet, this glorious planet that we live on, you're able to use CaseX. So there's no bureaucracy and sort of restrictions about your location. Just wherever you are, phone, laptop, go for it, enjoy it whilst it's still there. Link down below, you might get some bonuses at the same time over here. So yeah, Trump coin just looking a little bit sort of weak. Nothing is really happening right now. And I think with the recent sort of tariffs, people are annoyed, people aren't supporting the Trump movement right now. It is just a myriad of negativity and a bunch of different things. It's a trifecta of just doom, a trifecta of gloom right now. We're not getting what we want out of these markets. People get frustrated. But to be honest, guys, is just sometimes all you got to do is zoom out. Look at the logarithmic chart. We will quickly look at this towards the end of the video. I think it's very important that we do just to understand where we are in this market. So yeah, guys, really excited to talk about that. Also, thank you so much to new patrons, supporters in this market. If you want to make more money from wherever you are, achieve time, location, financial freedom, check out my Patreon group just down below. I've only got 4 slots of We've only got 4 slots available right there, and only 5 slots on the Crypto Champion. So different tiers will cost a different monthly rate. But yeah, this will give you signals, alpha, stealth launches, education, insights, indicators, and more. So please do check it out. And thank you to all the new and existing, patrons. You guys are legends. What else we got here? SpacePay wanted me to also tell you, we covered this a few months ago, but they're basically just hit a massive milestone now. They're about to raise $1 million. So they've raised $917,224, and one SPY here, SpacePay token, is 0.002991 in 2 hours. I guess there's going to be something big happen here, so keep your eyes peeled on the charts here. It says invest in tomorrow today. Now this is an interesting one. SpacePay monetizing on their commerce platform. You can see here, effortless crypto commerce, empower the future of crypto payments with SpacePay. Invest in tomorrow today. So yep, this is big as well. Seeing a lot of growth for this one since the first time we did look at it. You can see they've got their own point of sale terminal here, which will be something that they can use for merchants across the world, which is super, super cool. It says here, SpacePay enhances POS operations for merchants through our simple to use payment APK, enabling customer purchases with cryptocurrency while ensuring merchants receive funds in their local currency seamlessly. So it's like SpacePay is an intermediary right here. Begin accepting crypto payments and tap into a network of over 400 million new customers for people that do want to start deploying and utilizing their crypto as a currency rather than just a liquid commodity in itself. So yeah, really, really cool to see this one. If you're supporting this sort of technology, guys, you can check out SpacePay. Have a little look at it, do a bit of research on the guys. Really cool project. Of course, not financial advice, never risk more than you can afford to lose, but it could be one that starts to really grow, and it could be that next big trender in the market. So yeah, check it out. What else we got? BLX chart. For those that don't know, this is the Bitcoin liquid index, and we can see it goes back here every single bull market and bear market cycle. When it taps into the green ribbon, I like to call it, at the bottom, this is where effectively we're in a bear market. When it taps into the red ribbon at the top, we're in overextension, greed, and euphoria, and we do have a lot of bullish sort of price action at the moment. So yeah, you can see, looking at the 1 week chart, the main important thing here is that week on week we're always putting through a higher low. So on average we're still doing better than last month, we're doing better than last week, not maybe last week, actually it's a lie, but month on month growth is what is key, and we are seeing the month on month growth here still for the BLX chart, even though we had a few months before actually putting through lower lows. It was complete trickery, it was complete robbery. In fact, the markets are still looking super strong here, and I'm not worried about anything. So I think personally we could tap into, if we break 110K anytime soon, we should see continuation into 120, 30K. I think we max out this bull market around $150,000, and then we'll go through our very classic downward spiral through this descending channel into our ape-in territory, which was our upside down blue cross here for ape-in. Happened last time when the price was around $15,000, and I think we'll just repeat this over and over and over. You can see every single time you're getting something similar happen. You get that tiny window of opportunity in the green ribbon here. So yeah, for sure, we have to also think ahead of the future, when to take profits and when to get back in. For me, getting back in doesn't happen until 2026. We've still got like a year until I want to get back in properly. But yeah, it's good to really keep your eyes peeled on these sorts of charts. If you want to know more about these and know when I'm going to be accumulating next bear market, which could be just a year away, be sure to, check out Jacob's Crypto Clan Discord down below. The Discord is where all the fun happens. We've got all the stuff here for you, the VIP channels. Ask any questions you want. Because yeah, it could be the difference between having a super, super strong portfolio and having like a mid-tier portfolio. If we can help you enter the markets in a very, very strong area. Right now, entering the market, in my opinion, is not is not the wisest choice. If I was a newcomer to this market, I wouldn't be aping into Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. There's just no way. There's no way. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching this video on Trump meme coin. I've drifted off a little bit. Subscribe, like, comment if you're new here. And yeah, legends, if you got to the end of the video, just comment Trump 101. Trump 101, just so I know that you are here and you've spent 10 juicy minutes of your life on this very, very interesting topic, shall we call it. All right, peace.